Ano, dog yan, ni dog. Oh, dog. Ayun na yung dog, bebe. Ayun na yung dog. Wow, anteater yan ah. Ang galing ah. Oh. Ayun pa oh, yung dog, bebe oh. Galing ng dog ah. Bilis! Ay! Ba mo yung dog, ba? Ba? Oh, anteater. Anteater yun nak eh. Ayun oh. Ayun dog, baby oh. Ayun na, ay! Tingnan mo yung dog oh. Tingnan mo. Oh. Dali dito ka. Ayan na, pupunta na siya sa, ano, sa rabbit. Yay! Ayan na. Sasali na sila sa soccer ball, you know. Oh, sasali na sila sa soccer team. Sino kayang animal yan, baby? Dog yan eh. Wow, may uniform pa sila, Jillian. Wow! Galing ano. Ayun oh. Ayun oh, dog yan. Oh, may cow pa. Mayroon pang cow. Wow, cat. Cat yan, diba, baby? Ang dami namang animals. May cat yun, baby. Wow. Cat pala yun, nak eh. Ayun, cat oh. Ang daming cat.
Hello, Father. May I have a...
Oh, ang daming cat, no, Jillian?
May I? Okay, instead...
Nakakatuwa yung cat. Ay, oo, dog na naman. Oh. Oh. Ang galing ah. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, ayun na yun, oh. Nag-uusap na yung dog at saka cat. Ayun na.
Face it, Roy. You're a born loser.
Yan na.
Always be on the sideline. Get away with it, Peter!
Yan na, pinalabas na siya ng pusa tsaka ng pig. Ayun na, lababas na sila doon. Ayun na, ayun, may bird, may chicken. Wow, ang dami, Jillian. Yay! Commercial! Ano pinapanood mo, baby? Ang daming animals? Ang daming animals, no? Ang dami naman. Tingnan mo, babe. Stand up ka, baby. Tingnan mo yung animals, baby, doon sa TV. Ayun na, ayun na. Dali, dali. Ayun na yung mga panonoorin natin. Stand up, bilis, bilis. Wow! Mr. Bean! Haya! Haya! Nick! Haya! Wow! Haya! Haya! Boom! Open and ipin! Yay! Wow! Galing ah! Wow! Oh, chicken! Ah, chicken, chicken!
Catch Reuben and Ethan. Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. on the Disney Channel.
Ah, chicken! Uy! Yay! Dream Kicks! Animal Kicks! Yay! Ayan na!
What are you doing, Roy?
Ang gawa niya.
Megaforce candy. Oh,
Dog!
we'll just find someone else to sponsor our team. Megaforce. Megaforce.
Ayun, dog! Dog! Oh!
Roy, we
You know?
can breed Megaforce.
Daming dog tsaka chicken!
Roy.
Oh!
Oh,
Ayun na yung daddy niya.
sorry, Dad.
Oh, daddy niya yan, doggy. Daddy niya, si Jillian din may daddy.
Fresh from the honor club.
Dali, watch mo na yung dog. Wow, milk. Diba, baby, may milk ka din? O, dali, sit down ka, bilis. Ayun na si Dali.
For the sponsor.
Ayun na, maraming animals dyan.
No.
Ayun na. May broom broom. Wow, cow!
Can I help you? I hope we can help each other.
Galing ah.
A soccer team could bring hundreds of visitors to your farm.
Wow, may farm. Animal farm pala yun na.
We could wear your Lady Farm logos on our shirts. But I don't know anything about soccer.
Cow ba yun, baby? Yay, cow!
I don't think so. Just hear me out.
Oh, oh! Sinagi si Doggy. Sinagi si Doggy.
Chopped off your leg. Let's go. She said yes.
Yay!
Mega farm. Mega farm is why all the farms around here. They forced down my prices.
Watch ka ba? Watch.
They're even trying to force me to sell my farm. Join us. Help us get a book out and you'll save your farm. So, what do you say?
Yay! Yay!
Emily,
Yay!